winter snowstorm 2021 December Christmas. It's supposed to get a lot of snow the next couple days. So far, not much. It's only 10 o'clock here and it just started. So we'll see what will happen. And happy holidays. Alright. Winter snowstorm. Christmas time part 2. As you can see, it's snowing outside. It's Christmas Day 2021. So it's walking around in the snow. And it's not too bad, but for where I'm at in Washington State, this is like on record being different and cold. Like tomorrow it's supposed to be like 10 degrees out or something like that. So we'll see though. But for now I'm just going to the park over here that I've shown in my videos plenty of times, but not when it's snowing out. So, and plus no one's really out here, so I think I can actually have some quiet time a little bit and speak my mind for a bit. So, quick update with me. It's been at least 2 years since I made an update about how I'm doing. And since the thing started, which I'm not going to say, hasn't been good. Been unemployed for 2 years now. Couldn't qualify for anything. And 4 months ago, my dad had a mini stroke, and I'm the only one taking care of him. So it's been difficult. But I'm trying to keep positive. Looking for work, can't get anything. Didn't qualify for unemployment for some damn reason, so I don't know. Everything is so unknown at this point. Hopefully, next year will be a better year. I think 2022 will be a better year. I don't know how, but I have a good feeling about it. And something to look forward to. I've been doing a lot of stuff. Me and my dad created Redbubble. We sell all kinds of stuff on there. Over 3,000 designs. The link will be in the bottom below for my Redbubble shop. 3,000 unique designs on over 80 products. Mugs, t-shirts, stickers, blankets, towels, tapestries, posters, and that kind of stuff. So this will be a quick video. And here's the park. It's pretty snowy out. Hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching.